Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chromium drawing. First, it's important to understand how light interacts with a highly reflective metallic surface. Gather your essential drawing tools, including a range of pencils from 2H to 6B, smooth drawing paper, and a kneaded eraser. Begin by lightly sketching the main shape of your object, focusing on its overall proportions and placement on the page. This foundational step sets up your entire drawing. Next, identify your primary light source. This will dictate where the brightest highlights appear on your Chromium object. Start blocking in the major reflective areas using simple, geometric shapes like rectangles or ovals. Remember, reflections on chrome are often distorted and sharp, not soft. Use clear, contrasting edges to define these reflective zones, giving the illusion of a hard, shiny surface. Now, focus on shading to enhance the metallic shine. Apply very dark tones in areas opposite the light source to create strong contrast against your planned highlights. Blend smoothly where appropriate, but maintain crisp, sharp edges for the reflections. For the absolute brightest and sharpest reflections, use a white gel pen or carefully lift pigment with a kneaded eraser. This contrast is key to a convincing chrome effect. For the final touches, carefully refine all your edges, making sure some are incredibly sharp while others are slightly softer. Ensure you have a full range of tonal values, from the darkest blacks to the brightest whites, to maximize the metallic effect. Consider adding subtle environmental reflections to make the object feel grounded in its surroundings. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals, and thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.